Hey YouTube, thanks for coming to my channel. Heavy duty reviews here. These knives were in pretty rough shape when I got them. Smith Wesson CK43BS, which stands for Bear Survival. This is a first production run. Performance 440 knife designed by Morgan A. Taylor. It says hand forged, the kind of titanium 440 steel, extreme ops. This is a big honking knife, actually. It's 10 inches long, and so's its brother. This is really cool. I like that red outline on the G10. It's got G10 in the scales. It's got metal, but G10 in the scales. So this is also a first production run like the other one, performance, but this is titanium camo. This is titanium urban camo, patent pending, and it's got this really neat thing so that you can open it. This like gnarled, if I could get it to focus, gnarled thing that you can open it ambidextrously. But yeah, comes in this nice, it's a USA made knives. I generally only deal in USA made knives. But thanks for watching, thanks for liking, and thanks for subscribing. Thank you.